the back of my hand. I felt the earth beneath my feet. Sat by the river and it made me complete. Oh, simple thing, where have you gone? I'm getting tired and I need someone to rely on. And if you have a minute, why don't we go talk about it somewhere only we know? 'Cause this could be the end of everything. So why don't we go somewhere only we know?
Амьдралын хорон мөч бүхэнд хамгийн гоё дурсамж оршин байдаг. Хайртай бүхэнтэйгээ хамтдаа хамгийн гоё элэг.